Okay, so the next exercise is a goblet squat. You can use a dumbbell, you can use kettlebells. If you don't have any equipment, then use a weighted rucksack, or you can do them unweighted if you prefer and just increase the reps. But generally you're looking at your feet somewhere between hip and shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and your core tight. And if it's a weight or if they're unweighted, if it's a weight you feel is a bit lighter than you're used to, then just increase the reps and take it up to 20. Okay, so it's alternating reverse lunges up next. If you do want dumbbells, you can hold them here near your shoulders, or like me, if you're doing it without any weights, just concentrate on your technique. Putting your weight, concentrating on your front leg as a front leg exercise. Barely any weight going through your back leg. And get that knee as low as you can. We're looking for 8 to 15 reps each side. Okay, so these are home workouts at their best. Forget the plant pot. We've now got towels in the place of TRX rows, so you can just tighten them up a bit to make sure they're secure. You can vary the range and the angle of this depending on your age and your ability, but generally you want to keep your back straight, your body straight from your shoulders to your toes, and you're just lowering yourself, pulling yourself out, squeezing your shoulder blades and back down.